Kind of glad I did it, but wouldn't do it again and wouldn't recommend it. But glad it's done, I think, is the thing. Okay, spirits are high again. The sun has risen. I can see some stuff. It is nice up here. Just a shame it's managed so terribly. But we did it. Well, now we've got to try and get back down somewhere. Find the man that's disappeared. And then get in a jeep that's broken down. Fun. Okay guys, we're heading back down that side. Back down to where a jeep should be. I'm not sure how we're working that one out, but we're heading to where the jeep should be. But remember, it didn't get there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Lost a bit for words, to be honest. An experience. Good. Not so much. But an experience. Gosh. Okay guys, we made it back. It looks like our vehicle also made it back. So that's amazing. I think maybe we're stopping here for like a coffee or something. Definitely going to the toilet. Maybe some food. A little bit of chill. Gonna give the mask back. Yes. Okay. Being coffeed. Feel better. Where did we go? I don't even know where we went. Somewhere up there. Gosh, that was tough. I think like more tough than really it needed to be. Glad it's done. Kind of glad I did it, but wouldn't do it again and wouldn't recommend it. But glad it's done, I think, is the thing. Gosh, kind of puts me off going to other mountains though, which is a shame, in Indonesia anyway. Yeah, Batur or Bromo. Maybe comment down below. How was your experience? Either here or at any of the other mountains. Because we're definitely going to go to the one on Bali, which I think is Batur. I think, isn't it? Yes, I think so. Because Bromo is on Java. Well, sun shining. That's something. It didn't rain. Gosh, could you imagine if it rained? Oh my god. It was actually supposed to rain just as we either started walking or sometime throughout the night. So that's pretty cool. At least the weather was good. We saw some of the blue flame. Yep. Some of it. Not like a lot of it. I think I did see like a lot of it towards the kind of end. Like there was all of a sudden like a gust of wind. And I realized it went all the way up the side of the mountain. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure I'd recommend it, but I am glad I did it. Wouldn't do it again. That's kind of where I'm at with all that. I'm not sure what now. Like technically, I think we're supposed to go to a waterfall, but gosh, I don't know. I don't know if that's something I'd want to do, and I guess it kind of depends on what other people want to do. You know, Asha doesn't want to do it. I don't really want to do it. I think everybody else is exhausted as well. You know, everybody's been basically awake all night climbing a mountain. I think the takeaway definitely is, I wouldn't necessarily call it a tourist attraction, you know. It's like particularly the walk up is okay. I mean, it's tough, but it's okay. The walk down into the crater, that is pretty extreme, to be honest. Particularly at night, particularly with like 200 other people all trying to get either up or down or going in different directions with all torches and stuff. I mean, it looks amazing, and actually, you know, I've got some really great shots of that. And you know, the sunrise and like, you know, just the mountains itself and all of that, amazing. But yeah, the experience of getting there, getting down, getting around, the thing breaking down, gosh, tough, man. I think after this, like, Asher and I just want to be on a beach for like forever. So, you know, and I did actually tell myself that at least do this is an extreme, and then it's just beaches. So let's hope that from now on it's just like smooth running. I did also tell Asher a while back that I wasn't going to do a mountain until I'd done a beach. But no, like I had changed my mind, like, because it was an experience. It was a story to tell. It made me a video. Oh, I don't know. It's tough. In some respects, like, it kind of, you know, sums up a lot of the experience I've kind of had in Java, where it's just like, it could be so great, but it just seems to be so hard. You know, the people are amazing, I think. People are amazing. But yeah, just the tourism here just it doesn't have the infrastructure, doesn't have the, I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm just out of practice. Maybe I just got soft to my old age. But I mean, it's a general consensus that was difficult. Yeah. Well, there you go. I'm not sure. I'll probably either, if we're going to the waterfall, I'll check in with you there. Otherwise, as long as the Jeep gets all the way home, I'll check you at home. Alright. Nice one. Okay guys, we are back in our guest house. There it is there, look, there's an usher there. Hello. Yes, we survived. Oh gosh, that was all sorts of things. But we survived, we're back here. We are very tired. Oh, but we have breakfast coming. Yes, we're tired, exhausted, something, but yes, we do have breakfast here ready for us as we arrive, which is pretty nice. So we're gonna have that, we're gonna leave you, and then we're gonna go to sleep. So yeah, all those things, right? All that stuff. How did you find it? Let me know how you thought this all went. And yeah, subscribe, comment down below, like the thing, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, so until next time, keep on drifting.